My name is Clyde Willie, and I work at E&K Equipment in Titusville, Pennsylvania. I definitely have an interesting background. When I graduated from high school, I attended Pitt-Titusville for 1 year, actually, and then transferred to main campus to pharmacy school. I graduated in 1998, became licensed that year as well, and at one point I had actually opened my own pharmacy here in town. Circumstances with insurance companies actually forced me to close my pharmacy. So after 7 years, I had to find something else that was sustainable, that I could make a decent living, that I would enjoy.
Well, Clyde's a unique one. Going from a pharmacist to a machinist. We're really happy to have him, and he's very talented at everything he does.
I saw an ad in the local paper for the machine shop courses at Pitt-Titusville, of all things. So I decided to check it out. I've always believed that you never stop learning, and this was something that I was very interested in doing. It helped me transition from being a pharmacist to a machinist. My average day-to-day here at E&K Equipment can consist of machining parts to inspecting parts.
Clyde runs like 7 different machines. Some people spend their whole life on one machine.
We built a winch from the ground up, literally. We bought tubes. I machined the ends of those. I machined the plates that went on the ends that were welded in. I drilled bolt holes. I machined grooves. And since I started, I can say that everything that's left here has at least one thing on it that's been machined by me. I'm still learning. I learn every day. To anyone that's on the fence and not sure what to do, I would definitely recommend the manufacturing center at Pitt and Titusville. Even at the age of 49 when I started, it was a big transition for me, but I'm the happiest that I have ever been.
Any program like this is a big positive for the country, really, to really get people hands-on quickly. And we don't need workers in 5 or 7 years. We need them now. So,